welcome to or welcome back to Auntie's Cakery. Doing something a little different in this video. I'm going to narrate in front of the camera. Let me know in the comments if you like it by the end of this video. Thank you so much. Now, as you can see here, I'm using a foam dummy for this cake. First of all, I covered it in fondant. I find that royal icing sticks to fondant really well. And here is a number 3 round piping tip. I'm doing only half a cake because my main purpose of this design is just to give you an idea how to decorate it and take me half the time to do it. Of course, if it were real cake, it would be delicious. Now, I do have some little presses that I was going to make these designs with, but I couldn't find them. I keep my stuff pretty organized, but for some reason I could not find these little presses I was looking for. So I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to put a series of S scrolls and C scrolls. And when this is all finished, it will look a little lacy, a little elegant. It's such a simple design and it's so easy to do. I love doing wedding cakes. I like the big, elegant wedding cakes and I like the little simple ones. I even like buttercream cakes. Speaking of buttercream, I do have an online course that teaches you how to bake and decorate and put flowers on a cake. It is a complete decorating course. And sign up for my newsletter. The link is in the description box if you want a coupon code to that online course. All right, back to this cake. Because this was my first time really narrating the entire video on camera, I do have some bloopers, so keep out to the end of the video so you can watch those. Now that I've finished all those scrolls, I am going to take some gold luster dust. Mix it with a little alcohol. It can be a clear vodka, some Everclear, or some lemon extract. I love the smell of the lemon extract. I'm using a foam paintbrush, and I'll just paint it right on top of that fondant. You can get luster dust on Amazon. I have an affiliate link in the description box if you'd like to help donate to this channel. Thank you. Don't worry about the streaks. This is only my first layer of luster dust. Then I'll put on a second layer. Now I'm going to switch to a larger round tip and do a beaded border on each of the tiers. This specific design can be used for any season. If you want it for spring, just put some spring flowers on the top, which is what I'm going to do later. Or you can put a little summer color into it, like some dots. If it was Valentine's, I'd put little hearts here and there. If it was autumn, I'd use some silk colorful oak leaves or maple leaves. They're so beautiful in the fall, especially here in Utah. The mountains are filled with beautiful leaves of all colors. For winter, put some holly leaves on there, and maybe even a pine cone or two. Lovely! Bonus! I'm going to add some cute little pink flowers into this design. There's one. A little royal icing on the back. Stick it right there. Putting these in random places right now. Put little circles in the center. Tap it down with a little brush. Do the same thing on the bottom. And now for the flowers. For this demonstration, I am going to use silk flowers, but it would look so pretty with fresh spring flowers. Tulips, daisies, you name it. It would look so lovely. I will stick those flowers right into the border. They should stick and hold pretty firmly after the icing dries. Put a little flower there. Let's line that up. There's one. Very lovely. And a little one there. And now for the top row. And a few on the top. And of course, if this was a wedding cake, I would do these flowers all the way around the top. And for a little more beauty, stick a couple of these in there. That's so pretty. Should we stick one at the top? No, no, no. I do have some bloopers, so keep out to the end of the video so you can watch those. And that's it for this design. I hope it inspires you. If you like this simple cake design, I have another video here on screen that you can watch next. Why? Because it dries hard, like candy. For some reason I could not find these. You can hear my dog in the background. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.